how to verify phone number on Discord. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So for that, you may open up the Discord application, or you can also head over to browser version of Discord. And once you are here in this home interface of Discord, you need to go ahead and locate up your profile in the bottom right corner to open up the settings. So from your profile page, you may click on the gear icon at the very top and open up your settings. Now once you open up your settings, you may head over to the option called account, which is right under Get Nitro. And once you head over the account here, you will be finding username, display name, email, and phone number. So if you haven't verified your phone number, simply click on the option called phone. And once you go ahead and do that, in this section, all you gotta do is, if you it doesn't select by default, you can select up your country code. So for that, tap on your country code option, and then it gives you option to select up your country code from where you belong. After that, on the second box right beside it, you need to enter up your phone number and tap on next. After that, you may be given a confirmation code. Just go ahead and type in that, and once you do, your phone number should be verified on Discord. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to verify your phone number on Discord as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.